Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use RC L-carnitine. First, understand that RC L-carnitine helps your body convert fat into energy, supporting your fitness goals. It's crucial to know the correct dosage and when to take it for maximum benefit. We'll cover these essential steps to ensure you're using this supplement effectively and safely. Let's get started with the specifics. For effective use, a common daily dose of RC L-carnitine is between 1,000 and 2,000 milligrams. It's generally recommended to take your dose about 30 to 60 minutes before your workout to maximize its impact on energy and fat burning. Some individuals find that splitting their daily intake, for example, 1,000 milligrams in the morning and another 1,000 before exercise, helps with absorption and sustained benefits throughout the day. When preparing your RC L-carnitine, simply mix the powder with 8 to 12 ounces of water or your preferred beverage. It dissolves easily and can be a great addition to your pre-workout routine. You can also combine it with other supplements like creatine or BCAA without issue. Remember, consistency is key. Taking your L-carnitine regularly, even on non-training days, will help you achieve the best possible outcomes over time. Before incorporating RC L-carnitine into your regimen, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any existing health conditions. Remember, supplements are meant to complement a healthy lifestyle, not replace it. For optimal results, pair your L-carnitine use with a balanced diet and a consistent exercise program. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your daily life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.